I used to live in Scotland. I used to have a dog. I used to go swimming. Hello, it's Carly from Learn English with Carly. Where did you used to live? What did you used to do as a child? Used to is a unique expression in English that can be tricky to understand and apply in your everyday English. Let me help you get to grips with used to. We use used to when we refer to things that we did, had, said, or even ate in the past which are no longer true. The form and function of used to are similar to a modal verb in that it gives extra information about the verb and is followed by an infinitive or a base verb. For example, I used to live. I used to dance. I used to eat. Used to shows that an action was performed in the past, but it is no longer performed in the present. It is mainly used when talking about periods in the past, such as your childhood, your school years, even a past job or experience. In statements, the form used to does not change at all, no matter the person. I used to work in a school, but now I work online. He used to live in Canada, but now he lives in Scotland. We used to study a lot as students. Notice that we do not use the verb be before, and it always refers to past time. In the negative, we use I didn't used to without the D on use. For example, I didn't used to like tomatoes, but now I like them. She didn't used to like going to bed early, but now she does. We didn't used to enjoy camping, but now we go every year. What did you used to do in the past that you can tell me about? What didn't you used to do? Let me know by writing your used to and didn't used to sentences in the comment box below. You used to find used to really confusing, but now it's easy. Thanks for watching and see you next time.